I wanted to do a follow-up video. I had some people ask about the iMow and how it handles leaves. And you can see here that the iMow has been running for about a week since the leaves fell, and it has ground them up pretty good. We'll give it a turn here. You can see the mulching mower has done a really good job of grinding up the leaves. We didn't have to do any raking at all. Our trees are medium-sized here. You can see they're about average size. So we did have quite a few leaves, and it managed to grind them up pretty well. So I definitely recommend the iMow for fall cleanup. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment, and I'll see what I can answer as I learn more about the iMow, and kind of trial by error here, learning more all the time about this great system we have really enjoyed this summer, the freedom of not having to mow our lawn all the time. So it's given us time for other things. So thank you for watching.